Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to wear the lace top grip. Now the lace top grip is for a larger topper. Anything 8x8 or 8x10, 10x10 would work for this lace top grip. If the sides stick out a little bit, it should be fine because your hair covers over the sides. The main thing is you want the most secure grip, and the more grip there is, the more coverage and the more secure it's going to feel on your head. It does come in two colors. If you're wearing a skin top, it really doesn't matter because you can't see through. If you're wearing a mono topper or a lace topper, you may want to get the lighter color because if it does show through, this color is more like a scalp color. So the only time you would be concerned about the color is if you're wearing a mono, a translucent material, or a lace where you can see the color through. Then you would want to use the lighter color. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to put this on. I'm showing you with our Divine topper. It doesn't really matter what topper. It doesn't have to be only a Milano topper. It's just for a larger size topper, and it works really well where it keeps it secure without the use of clips or combs. So what I'm going to do first is put your hair in a ponytail, just like this. Now I'm trying to get the size of the lace top grip to be snug around the head because this has to be snug around the head in order for it to be effective. Now it doesn't have to be tight where it's giving you a headache, but it should be snug where it feels secure around your head. It does come with an adjustable strap in the back, and it's where it's single. If you want to make it tighter, you want to double it over. So you would just be pulling like this to double it, which that makes it tighter. The lace in the front, it really only comes into play if you have a lace front on your topper. If you don't, it doesn't really make a difference. So you can disregard it. Here we go, I'm going to place it on the head now. There we go, now it has a snug feel. And I'm going to pull on it a tiny bit more just to give it a little bit of a snugger feel. There we go. Now this is secure on the head. It's tight, but it's not too tight where it's giving you a headache. Now what I'm going to do is take it off, and now I'm going to put it onto the larger topper and then put the topper onto the head. So here I have our Divine topper, which this is our biggest topper that we have. It is a 10x10. And what I'm going to do is line up the lace on our Divine topper to the lace that is on this one. Here we have a ribbon on the side. Now this Divine topper does not have a clip right here. There's two options I can do. I can take this clip and move it up, or I can see if I can align the clip with the top, with the lace top grip. As you can see, there's no way I can align it. So what I would do is take this clip and move it up. But there are two clips in the front. Even though there are not ribbons in the front, that's okay. Because what you can do is just take the lace top grip and just tuck it. There you go, tuck it under the clip and secure it. So with this one here, I don't feel that I need to move the clip. It's secured really tightly just by the clips on top. It is staying, it's not going anywhere, I'm pulling on it. So I'm gonna leave this and I'm not gonna move these clips up. If your topper aligns with this, you can actually put the clip here. You have to kind of get a sense of what you feel comfortable with. No one can tell you how many clips or what comfort level you need to be at. You need to decide on your own, and there are different options. Like I said, you can move the clips up. Right now, I have two clips that are attached to the lace top grip, and this should be enough to stay on the head, and I'll actually test it to see. I'm gonna place the Divine topper onto the head. You just move it right back. Now I'm gonna first take the invisible adjustable strap and put it underneath the ponytail. Once that is secure around the head, I'm going to take the topper and make sure it's hugging like it should. Then the last step is to take the ponytail and just release it. So your hair is just sitting underneath it. The next step you do is once it's secure on your head, I'm going to move it back, is style as you want. The main thing is this will keep it snug on the head where it's not going to go anywhere. And I'm going to pull. You can see it's saying snug on the head. Now, you do have some clips here, and like with the top grip, if you feel like you want to use some of the clips, you can go ahead and use some of the clips. This definitely eliminates the use of clips, but if you feel you just want to reduce, you can do that as well. But this should keep your topper, your large topper, on your head securely and comfortable.